So you're thinking about investing in Indonesian real estate? This video will help you understand the process and demonstrate how Invest Islands can assist you to get the perfect plot at the most economical price.
By acquiring land in large volumes, typically between 5 and 10 hectares, we are provided a discounted price, often well below market value. Our team of expert engineers, architects, and project managers then design a master plan, divide the land into smaller plots, and factor in water, roads, and electrical access. Details of the plots, now with basic infrastructure included, are then provided to our international team of brokers who discuss options with prospective clients, offering plots and ownership transfer together for one set price. A PMA is a foreign-owned investment company and the only legal way for foreigners to directly invest in Indonesian land. Depending on the client's intentions for the plot, be it land banking, building a dream villa, or investing in a hotel project, the ownership title can be secured through our purpose-built PMA or the client's own individual PMA. The entry level for land banking through Invest Islands PMA is $35,000 US. An individual PMA requires an initial investment of $170,000 and is obligated to start construction within the first 3 years. The Invest Islands smartphone application enables clients to track the status of their title deeds, investment value, construction progress, and rental income, as well as keep up to date with all the relevant news from the region.
Those who decide to land bank and benefit from the rising value of their plots will receive an independent annual appraisal. Those who decide to build on their plots can choose between various rental management options, from 5-star hotel brands to regional companies specializing in private villa management. Invest Islands has a team of almost 100 staff on the ground in Indonesia and Hong Kong to monitor and provide complete up-to-the-minute reporting on your investment. If and when the time comes to sell your investment, our local sales team will be happy to tap into its wide network of contacts to help get the best price possible in a buoyant Indonesian property market. And that's it. With Invest Islands, investing in Indonesia has never been so straightforward. Get in touch now. You'll be surprised by how far your budget stretches.